Now we are discussing about characteristics of an ideal operational amplifier. Ideal means this is theoretical characteristics only. Whatever we are discussing, these are theoretical characteristics. Practical op-amp will try to achieve these characteristics, but it will never achieve these characteristics. This is the ideal state. So the characteristics we are discussing, first one is the voltage gain. We are expecting the voltage gain, open loop gain, infinite. Means even if we give the small voltage signal, nanovolt signal, it should bring that nanovolt signal to the supply range, Vs range. Here infinite means maximum supply. So open loop gain is infinite. Next, input impedance we are expecting infinite. If the input impedance is high, then the operational amplifier do not take any current from the signal sources. If it takes the current from the signal sources, it will affect the sources. It will reduce the source lifetime. Okay, so the resistance between these two terminals is very high and the input impedance is very high. Output impedance we are keeping very low in order to drive the load properly, such that there will be no voltage drop, the entire voltage is reaching to the load. Output impedance is 0. Input impedance is infinite. And the bandwidth is infinite. We are expecting our operational amplifier to amplify all frequency signals. That's why the bandwidth is infinite. And the slew rate, the rate of change of the output with respect to the time, we are expecting it to be infinite. CMRR, slew rate we will learn in the coming topics. CMRR, we already discussed about the CMRR. It is the ratio of the differential mode gain to common mode gain. CMRR, if it is high, means that much common mode signal can be eliminated in the output. So CMRR is infinite. And we are expecting during the entire operation of the operational amplifier, the linear operation should be obeyed. Linearity should be obeyed. We are expecting for the ideal op-amp throughout its operation. And the output current we are expecting infinite. Offset voltage. Whenever we are giving two same signals, we are expecting output should be 0 for the ideal op-amp. And the noise, we do not expect any noise, and the noise level should be 0, such that there will not be any distortion in the output. So there is a small code. After you have learned well the VI characteristics of a diode or VI characteristics of transistor, one student got selected in Intelligence Bureau and his level changed from the inspector to the SP, and he made himself as a clone in order to catch the terrorists. So this is the code. So here V means open loop voltage gain, infinite. I means input impedance, infinite. Output impedance, 0. Bandwidth, infinite. Slew rate, infinite. Power supply rejection ratio, infinite. CMRR, infinite. Output current, infinite. Linear operation should be there. Offset current, input offset current, 0. Noise, 0.